evening everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Going to do a quick propagation video for you today, or tonight I should say. So yeah, went shopping today, had a look around the local garden centre, found a few perennials that I like the look of. Yeah, I like plants. It would appear that my son also has started to develop an interest in plants as well, and he selected this, which is this hardy fuchsia Wharfedale. As this lovely bicolour, so pink and white. So the centre throat is the pink section, and the outer sheath is the white. It's a decent sized plant for planting out, but why plant it out when you can do some cuttings from it first? So as I say, it's a hardy variety. It will get just over 3 foot in height and about 2.5–3 foot spread as well. So yeah, as you can see, like I just said, it's a nice healthy plant, so we might as well do some cuttings from it anyway, just to get it done really. So sharp pair of secateurs, nicely cleaned. Same with a lot of plants really. So to start with, work out where you're going to prune. So always do your pruning just above your buds or your shoots. Then that way you're maintaining the health of the plant you're taking the cuttings from. There we are. So that's how we've pruned it. We can put that to one side. To be honest, fuchsias root really quickly. So that's our stem cutting. Cut it just below the leaf joint. Take off the bottom sets of leaves like so. So that is your shoot there. This has got a couple of buds on it, so we'll nip those off. And that's your finishing cutting. Got your rooting powder. To be honest, with fuchsias you generally don't need the rooting powder because they're quite happy. So that's with the powder on. Use the top just as a dibber. So all we're going to end up doing, 10.5cm pot preloaded with some compost, which I watered about an hour ago. So I'm going to make 3 holes in that, one for each of the cuttings, although I've actually done 4 cuttings, but it doesn't really matter. So repeat procedure, whip off your buds. And at this time of year you'll probably find that it will root in, I don't know, about 3–4 weeks, something like that. It won't take that long at all. Again, repeat, take those off, buds, just do this last one. So this one is a tiny one, so it may or may not take, but we'll do it anyway. So the technical term is striking a cutting, so that's when you're cutting it and dibbing it. So yeah, we'll literally just put this in, we'll see if it takes, and if it does, it's a bonus. And that's it, got my 4 plants. And then all that's left to do is put them in a bit of a part shade position so that you're not going to cause too much moisture evaporation with them being in the heat. And like I say, you'll probably find their root within about 3–4 weeks, and then you then got 4 additional plants to plant out. So yeah, hope you found the video of interest. Please subscribe if you did, or send me any messages, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks a lot, bye.